mean, come on, it's Christmas time. You know.
I'll have a second then, thank you, Charlotte. That'll be my last one for today.
Okay. Right, what are we doing now? What are we doing?
We are going to make mince pies and we're going to test your rubbing in skills because I taught you to this video now with the scones.
I have learnt, and now I will.
So this one's a little bit harder because we're using cold butter.
Okay.
I'm using margarine in it, so you feel it's a little bit different. Do you want to give that a go? Mm-hmm. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in it. Just a little touch. Brings up the flavour more.
Okay.
And once you've done that, I'm going to be grating a zest of an orange.
Ooh, okay. Mince pies orange, nice.
So the pastry is a sweet short crust pastry.
Yeah.
Enriched with egg and sugar. And then I add orange zest.
Perfect. So orange zest, is that normally added into mince pies?
Well, I do it.
Yeah?
I don't know if anyone else does it.
Smells lovely. I love the smell of that.
Yeah, it's really fresh.
Got loads of Christmas smells in here today.
So after we've made this now, this is going to go in the fridge in cling film.
Okay.
So we're going to flatten that down.
Yeah.
Bit of cling film. And then we'll put it in the fridge. Fantastic.
So, quick cheers.
Cheers. We're doing well.
Yeah.
Right. Well, have you spilled it all over yourself? Oh, that's going to make the edit, you know that, don't you?
Oh, yeah, right, whatever.
Not like my lady like drinking. Right, okay.
Okay.
So we've got our lovely orange short crust pastry that we made.
Okay, yep.
So we're going to roll this out. You see how nice and pliable it is? So again, we're going to try and get as many cuts out of here as we can. Okay, so I've made my own mincemeat already this year.
Fantastic.
You need to make this a couple of weeks before Christmas.
Homemade mincemeat is always better, I think.
I think so, yeah. So like I said earlier, I do like to put bay leaves in normally at the top. It's a nice flavour. This year I've put rosemary, so I've got a nice sprig of rosemary.
Yeah.
This is the first time it's been opened since I made it.
So,
have a little smell.
Oh, it smells lovely. What is in there? How do you make mincemeat? What is in there?
It's mixed fruit, citrus peel, alcohol. You can put some cherries in there, whatever you like, really. And what you can do with shop bought is add in a bit more alcohol, a grated apple. That's in here as well. There's grated apple in here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add in. Do you want to grab a tangerine? We're going to peel. A tangerine, and we're going to cut that up and we're going to mix it into the minced meat, and it makes it extra sort of juicy and tasty. So you're all done there.
Yeah, all mixed.
You can also add some cranberries in, cherries at this stage as well if you wanted to. And if you want to buy, like I said, a shop bought and sort of change it like that, that's absolutely fine.
Perfect.
Right, so we'll put this one aside for now.
Yeah.
Sorry. And we're going to do a bit more rubbing in. Hey, we've got lots of rubbing in today. So you ready?
I've had enough practice, okay?
A little pinch of salt in there again. Yeah. So what we're going to do today, which is sort of extra special, we're going to be making crumble top mince pies. So like a rhubarb crumble or an apple crumble.
That is different.
That's
different. Yeah. This is your twist. I like it.
Yeah, I have seen it around the place, but it's my crumble recipe and my mincemeat recipe, and I just really wanted to try something different. So
perfect. So mixing this up. How is this going? Am I getting better?
No, you're still not doing. You need to bring it up like this. Look, like I showed you.
I need to get up.
I know it looks quite dramatic, but it does really work.
I need to get up and just
nice
sprinkle
breadcrumbs. Right, I think we're about there now.
Okay.
And then we've got, instead of caster sugar, we've got golden caster sugar, which is a nice caramelly flavour.
Okay.
I'm just going to mix that through, and that's basically our crumble topping done.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
So crumble's really easy.
Simple.
To make.
Very simple.
Oh, look at these, Charlotte.
Oh my gosh.
They smell good.
They smell so good. My favourite, honestly.
Oh, I touched my chin with that.
You've had too much sherry.
Oh my gosh, my depth perception is off. Okay, so we're going to put this over the top now.
That's the crumble going on there.
Yep, nice little bit of crumble.
Oh, lovely.
Right, they look a bit of a mess now, but they should now go nice and crumbly in the oven. So we're going to pop them in.
Okay.
Okay. And then we get on to the next bit.